all of you concentrate the next numerical. 1 upon 3 plus 2 sin x. Students, what is the difference between this particular sum and the last sum? In the last sum or last type of sum, we found what? Square. Here there is no square term. So the note I am going to write over here. Remember the note. In order to integrate, what integrate? A plus b sin x. Now there is a no square term. Only sin x is there. Or integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x. Okay. Or integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c times of cos x. मतलब either you will find sin x, cos x or sin and cos x both, but not square term. So here what is the first step? The students, first step you have to remember, put tan of something. Something is what? Whatever angle of sin and cos, जो भी angle रहेगा उसका half करना. So put tan x by 2 equals to what? T. Okay, remember this particular steps. So here what is the step here? What is the first step? You have to take tan because यहाँ पे x is there. If here 2x, the 2x का half is what? X. Okay, so now it is x. So what I will do? Put tan x or let tan x by 2 equals to what? T. Okay, now what is the next step? All of you consider. I will shift this tan over there. तो x by 2 यहाँ पे बचेगा और tan उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Tan inverse of t. So what is x equals to 2 times of tan inverse of t. Okay, a fixed steps है, ये कभी change नहीं होने वाला. After that, what I will do? I will differentiate with respect to t. So if I differentiate with respect to t, not x, because here t is a function. ना? X किया तो भी same आएगा. Don't worry. You have to apply the composite. But if I differentiate with respect to t, ना, so you will understand. देखो जरा, what is the left hand side? X. बराबर? So d by dt of x, 2 is constant. D by dt of tan inverse of t. Okay. So students, dx upon dt equals to, what is the tan inverse of t? 1 upon 1 plus t square. That is same as tan inverse of x. What is the tan inverse of x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Na? So there is tan inverse of t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. And dt I will shift over there. So what is the simplified term? Because what is the rule? X function. There is no x function. Only that. That's why dx given unknown. And constant and t function along with dt. Now what is the next step? Now I am going to convert entire numerical in terms of t. अभी आप पूछ, I am going to convert entire numerical in terms of t. Okay? So what is exactly I am going to do? dx की value तो मिल गई sir. 2 upon 1 plus t square. T upon 1 plus t square. But what about this sin x? The students, whenever such type of numerical you will come across, तो sin x का formula apply करो. What is sin x का formula? In terms of tan, you know that 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. And students, that's why sin x is going to replace by this particular substitution. That is what 2t upon 1 plus t square. Similarly, if there is a cos, cos के लिए भी substitution है. 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. And what is the standard substitution? What is tan x by 2 is t. तो cos x जब भी आएगा तो आपको लिखना है 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. So these are what standard substitution for sin x and cos x. तो यहाँ पे मैं sin x के जगह पे लिखने वाला हूँ students 2t upon 1 plus t square. बरोबर से देखना students, all of you concentrate here. What I will do in the next step, students, I am going to take LCM. बरोबर से देखना है step by step. Because denominator here it is what 1 plus t square. If I take LCM, what will happen? 3 into 1, 3. 3 into t square, 3t square. बरोबर? Plus 2 2s are 4t. And the whole divided by what? 1 plus t square. बाजू में क्या है? 2 upon 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. So what are remaining terms? You can see here. What you can see here? All of you concentrate. Remaining terms are what? 2 is constant, take outside. So remaining terms are what? 3t square plus 4t plus 3 multiplied by dt. Students, now this particular sum is of the type of integration of quadratic equation. But quadratic equation is in the denominator. तो पता है आपको क्या करने वाले हम? Consider what? Consider 3t square plus 4t plus 3. मतलब एक सम में दो सम है इसमें. What is the first step? Make coefficient of t square 1. तो take 3 common. अंदर क्या बचेगा? अंदर बनेगा t square plus 4 by 3t plus 1. And what I am going to do? I am going to add and subtract. What? बरोबर से देखना स्टूडेंट्स, ये सब हम लोगों ने करे थे लास्ट टाइम के लेक्चर में. Add and subtract what? Square of half of coefficient of t. What is coefficient of t here? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 का half is what? 2 by 3. तो 2 by 3 का square add किया, 2 by 3 का square subtract किया. So what are the remaining terms? T plus 2 by 3 the whole square. And 9 ones are 9 minus 4, 5. 5 by 9. ये इसमें थोड़ा डबल स्टेप है. इसमें ये भी करना था, वो भी करना था. दो फॉर्मूला हम लोग अप्लाई करें. तो यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाइड टर्म इज व्हाट? 2 plus 3 multiplied by t plus 2 by 3 the whole square, and 5 को लिखूंगा root 5. 9 is a perfect square, तो इसको लिखा the whole square. So now what I am going to do? I am going to resubstitute into the what? Denominator. Okay. So take a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot because this particular part I am going to rub. Take a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot because I have to complete the numerical. Everyone took a screenshot? Okay. Then I am going to what? Rub this particular part. So if I rub this particular part, then what I'm going to do? I'm going to just resubstitute this into the answer. R equals to integration of 1 upon 3 times of t plus 2 by 3 the whole square plus root 5 by 3 the whole square. तो आपको पता है कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? जापान. तो जापान में हम लोग क्या करते थे पता है? What is Japan in we are going to do 1 upon a root 5 by 3 and tan inverse of x by t plus 2 by 3 upon root 5 by 3. Okay, and then I plus c. And 3 get cancelled. What I'm going to do now? I'm going to resubstitute. What is t student? T हमारा क्या था पता है? Tan x by. What is the final answer? Tan x by 2. If I take LCM, 3 times of tan x by 2 plus 2 upon root 5 plus c. This is what final answer. Hope so you understood. Please call up your copy.